Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a yearly planner sample journal using the Journal app. Open the app and then click on Create, select Sample Journals and then find the yearly planner. It's right here, click on it and tap Use this journal. Wait a few seconds and then you can see your pages. You can organize it as you wish. You can write with your handwriting or you can type text and actually do anything that you want to. If you go back to the main page, then you can see that your yearly planner is right there, so you can access it whenever you want to. I hope it helps. Have a nice day.